Welcome to Miss Dana's Story Time. Little Blue Truck by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sound you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said a piggy, beep said Blue. Cluck said a chicken and her chick said peep, ma said a goat, Blue said beep. Neigh, said a horse, whack, said a duck, beep, said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck, coming through. I've big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. "Oh!" cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. "Help, help, help!" cried the Little Blue Truck. "Beep, beep, beep! I'm stuck, I'm stuck!" Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the Little Blue Truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push and the trucks were free. "Thanks, little brother," said the dump to Blue. "You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends." "Beep," said Blue, "who wants a ride?" Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, whack, bah, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Beep, beep, beep. The end. Pete the Cat and the Supercool Science Fair by Kimberly and James Dean. Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he can try it out. Pete's teacher tells the students they will do experiments in groups. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. "Our experiment is going to be groovy," says Pete. "What should we do?" "Let's build a mini submarine," says Callie. "Or grow a giant tree," says Squirrel. "Or invent an invisible guitar," says Pete. "Why don't we make a volcano?" asks Gus. "Whoa," they all say. "Volcanoes are awesome." The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. Would any scientist like a cookie, she asks. They all raise their hands. The cookies are warm and gooey. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials. They need glue, water, newspaper, paint, and a plastic bottle for the volcano. They need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for lava. Pete and Gus mix the glue and water. Squirrel and Callie tear the newspaper into strips. They cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky white volcano. Oh no! The paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we going to do? Asked Callie. They can't find brown paint anywhere. That's pretty cool, says Pete. Maybe it's okay that we have a blue volcano. We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. Let's test the lava so we know the volcano will erupt at the science fair, Pete says. Gus pours baking soda and liquid dish soap into the volcano, and Callie adds vinegar. Nothing happens at first. All of a sudden, a lot of lava starts coming out. Super cool, says Callie. The team high-five each other, but the lava is still coming out. Soon it is a huge mess. Oh, Mom isn't going to be happy, says Pete. At least the scientists are ready for the fair on Friday. When Pete and his team arrive at the fair, they see all the other groovy experiments. They all look awesome. Grumpy Toad and Octopus grew rock candy in jars. Emma and Marty made slime. We don't stand a chance, says Gus. Don't worry, we have the secret ingredient, says Pete. At the science fair, Pete's teacher loves the blue volcano. Wait till you see it erupt, Pete says. The whole class watches Callie pour vinegar into the volcano. A second later, glitter lava gushes out. Everyone cheers. The scientists cheer the loudest. Science experiments are hard work, says Pete, but being on an awesome team makes them a whole lot easier. Coolest experiment at the science fair. The end. Thanks for reading with me. See you next time.